Hi and welcome to Tech's Tips. My name's Tekin Onbashi from Genie CCTV. Today in this video what we're going to do is discuss how to add the LTDVRSE and the Wish range of NVRs to the smartphone app. So what we're going to do now is we're going to configure the WMVR216P via the network settings to make sure that it's ready to accept the connections from the smartphone device. So going over to the NVR, what we need to do is right click anywhere on the screen, the taskbar will appear, the bottom left hand corner will be a notepad. So select that with the left mouse and then you need to go to Setup within the main menu. Once you're in there, select Network, and then you'll be able to go over to a tab called NAT, so NAT, so go over to that NAT, select the enable, so you have to make sure that it's enabled. Once it's enabled, go over to other settings while you're in there, enable universal plug and play. So make sure that's selected, apply that and exit. That is all you need to do with regards to configuring the network side of the WMVR. Okay, so the next step, you'll need to right click anywhere in the setup menu. It will take you back to the main menu tab. Once you're in there, select the icon that says information. So by selecting that, you'll see there's an option here or an icon that says QR code. Selecting that QR code will bring up a QR code on the screen that will allow you to scan with your smartphone to add the details automatically of the DVR or the NVR into your smartphone. Okay, so what you need to do, the first thing you need to do is you need to go to the App Store. You'll find that it's called Play. It's the Play Store on the Android devices. So once you select Play Store, okay, in the search box you need to type in SuperLive Pro. Okay, so once you've typed SuperLive Pro and search that, the icon you'll see that looks like a grey shield with a lens in the middle is the one that you want. Okay, so it's SuperLive Pro. As you can see, it's already installed on my handset, so I'm just going to go ahead and open the application. So once the application has actually opened, you'll notice that there's a network type that you can choose, whether it be for a 3G type connection or 2G type connection. It's up to you. If you've got the bandwidth available, choose 3G because it will be a bit faster. Okay, so in this instance, we're going to choose 3G as the connection. Okay, so once you've chosen 3G, underneath you'll notice there's a server box, and that server box will be blank until you've added a device. Underneath that you've got your username, and underneath that you've got your password. They will be your default username and passwords from the NVR that you're connecting to. Okay, so what I'm going to do is next to the login icon at the bottom of the screen, there's an icon that looks like a little QR code, like a square box. You need to select that, and what that will do is it will start your camera on your phone. Right, okay, so what you need to do now is going back to the NVR where we had that image on the screen, if you remember, you need to put your phone up to that image and make sure that the image is within the capture window of the software's camera. So once it does that, you'll notice that the MAC address of the DVR or the NVR will be entered automatically into the server box. Also, admin will appear as the user on the machine. The only thing that remains now is you need to put the password in for the particular machine that you're connecting to. So in this instance, it's the default 123456. Now once you've done that, you need to select the login box. Assuming your NVR is connected successfully to the internet and you've enabled the options within the network settings on the DVR or NVR, you should then be able to connect to the device and see the camera feeds that are on the software. Select live and then you should see some images appear. So that's pretty much all you need to do in order to see the camera feeds on your smartphone app. Just make sure that when you do get the DVR or NVR added to the app on the phone, make sure you select live to view those feeds. Well, thanks for watching this episode of Tech's Tips. If you need any further assistance, please contact us on 01707 330541, or you can contact us on Twitter at GenieCCTV or visit our website www.geniecctv.com. Thanks for watching.